I saved the 03 model submittal as 04 model submittal, and I want to show just changing the settings in here. So if I go to my Analyze tab and I go to my, so first of all I need to submit a separate model, so I'm going to say delete whatever I had. I've got a separate one that I'm going to create a connection to, so I can say generate. Actually, before I do generate, I want to go energy settings. So conceptual masses and building elements, level 1 new construction. I've tightened up on the analytical grid, and I don't need my zone under here. It's multifamily, and if I scroll down a bit, the other options that are here. For schematic types, so these are the options that are in your schematic type is building. That's whatever settings are being used for the building, and under conceptual types is whatever was used for masses that are created. Let me just think, this is a weird one. So that's using values from conceptual, that's using values from on the help file if I look at it. It's material thermal properties here. This is also down at this last part to review in the help file. Type there, conceptual types. That's this here. It's the same thing, where the different mass surfaces, metric or imperial, are given here, where it shows you the R values. That's what it's been using to date. So what I'm not clear about, because it's changed a little bit, under energy settings, if I say edit and scroll down a little bit, there are no rooms in my project. It's just using the schematic spaces. But if I go under schematic types and I do like that, I can override with whatever values I want, and I can, so for example, if I want the exterior walls are frame partition, like that, so sorry, exterior walls are what do I want from there? Frame wall with 8" of insulation, and I say use that instead, or the roof. Membrane sheathing, or 15. It's not concrete. It's board metal deck. Let's say use that. I don't have interior walls at the moment, but I can create them. And I'll go with the values there. Same for ceilings. Anyway, I can apply any overrides that I want. Doors, timber flush panel, exterior windows, Vertical glazing, domestic. I don't have skylights, so don't know what that is. So my question would be, am I able to save different settings under a different name for construction types? So let me see, it's building. So it's using it. To date, it has been using these values wherever I had, and now what I'm saying is where there are schematic types, use whatever is under here, and that's my version 4. Create the energy analytical model, and I get an email saying that it's been sent, and then I get another email saying that it's complete. It was 4, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay, let me stop that.